We had been working on our pond and garden at Ravenscote for the last couple of months. Both areas have been neglected. Here are some things we have done. Our pond has been a big project for us. It was in a really bad state and we had spent a long time cleaning it up. There was an old weed-filled area that we transformed into a beautiful rock garden for nature to thrive. We have built a small stone structure that is for foxes and other animals like hedgehogs.
In our pond, we have planted oxygenator plants to make the water clearer so we can see the wildlife. The whole school was very excited to see 2 ducks who became regular visitors to our pond. We also have an old shed that we have replaced.
The garden was full of weeds and all of the old raised beds had rotted, so we replaced them using pallets that the photocopier paper was delivered on. Of course, we had help from an adult for this part. After cleaning the area up and removing all of the weeds, we started to think about what plants we would grow in our garden. In our garden we planted vegetables.
We hope that the food that we are growing in our garden will be used in our school meals. We plan to harvest it. We'll be building various things for the wildlife around the school, like bat and bird boxes, as well as places for bees and butterflies. We have sown some wildflower seeds in the pond area, which we will hope will grow well and be nice for insects. Now that the pond is slowly being filled with plants, we are going to use it as a learning resource for our science, art and forest school lessons.
We hope this inspires other schools to create and transform environmental areas of their own. This is from Hannah, Mia,
Isla
and Abby.